Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel and ring the bell for future uploads. I like pizza.
Alright class, I'm going to pass the papers from your homework last night. Most of your scores were a bit average.
Wow, and a plus, that's amazing.
C is fine, I guess.
1 F minus, you got to be kidding me.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Dora. Maybe if you study harder, you would be as smart as Abigail, Dora.
Are you saying that I'm dumb, Mike? I'm not dumb. In fact, I might be the smartest kid in the world.
Dora, it's a grade. You can always get a better grade next time. But anyways class, take out your math books and turn them to page 53.
Man, I hate school. It's so boring and repetitive. I just wish that I could get the entire school by making a big joke about it. Oh, I know. After class, I'm going to put the fire alarm and everyone will scream like crazy.
Hey Dora, you are supposed to turn your book to page 53. Stop daydreaming.
Yes, Mr. Ken. Now that it's after class, I'm going to find the fire alarm and pull it.
Dora, you know that you need a hall pass to pass through here, and I don't think you have a hall pass, do you?
Well, no. I don't have a hall pass.
Then get the hell out of here.
Damn, it always has to be the hall monitor. If only I can get through the hall monitor without a hall pass. Oh, I know. How about I just create a fake one? I am going to get started on it right now. Okay, I think I finished it. It looks so identical to the OG one. Now all I need is some sleep, and the plan is set up.
Dora, once again, you need a hall pass to access this part of the school. Do you have a hall pass?
Yes, here it is.
Oh crap, she actually does have a hall pass this time. That means I have to let her through this area. Well, you can pass.
Hey hall pass guy, I think I saw a kid pass through one of the restricted areas that you're supposed to protect.
Then let me at him.
Now that I have access to this area, I think it's time to put the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha! I pulled the fire alarm.
Class, remain calm. Follow me to the exit room.
But Mr. Ken, what about Dora?
Now is not the time to worry about others. Now is the time to get the hell out of here. Okay class, this is the exit. Go by one.
Look, teacher, there's Dora.
Ha 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 ha. That was the best prank ever. I pretty much trolled the whole school. Wait, what the hell? How did you get on me?
Dora, did you pull the fire alarm? Be honest, or else.
Fine. I did. I made a fake hall pass to get through the hall monitor. And then I pulled the fire alarm.
Dora, do you know that's really bad? You might be suspended, or even expelled, because of your actions.
Man, you guys all suck. I hate this school. In fact, I might want to send your school to hell if I want to.
Dora, what the actual hell did you just say?
Oh, don't worry about her shit she just said. She is now dead because of the oxygen in space, so peace is now restored.
Thank you, Dora's mom.